Alright, so I got tired of listening to regular radio, and since the CD player didn't work, I added a auxiliary cable. So that way I could actually have like real fucking music. Real auxiliary cable, you know, into a stock Tahoe deck. Ran it, plugs it right into the see, that's what I'm talking about. I gotta get rid of that crappy ass music. Put it on the XM radio. And then
believe that they love it. Hold on for your dear life, fear my ability to get it in quick. You ain't gonna see another motherfucker bringing you divinity, infinity for giving you a grip. And is it a possibility I'm a lithium for rap too when it feels so weak? Am I gonna be the voice of reason? I'm sleeping.
Tied in right there.
Can you feel my speech? No joke, whatever that stake is, I'ma fight through it with an urge I'm shaking. Finna write a new chapter of my life. Better put the old in, I'm a fertile pages. There is a place when you fall out of.
Let's see, tomorrow or later, put a hole right here, and then come in from the back side, so I can just plug in, plug out right there, and have it all in there. You know, no wires hanging and shit. So it's all good.